My name is Pierre Ossmann. I work for a Swedish company called Cendio that produces a product called ThinLink, which is a Linux remote desktop server. A way of getting access to your Linux applications, your Linux desktop, from any device you'd like, such as IGEL terminals. IGEL and ThinLink works very well together, IGEL being a very easily managed device that can easily access the ThinLink system. ThinLink then provides all the classical benefits of putting stuff in your server room rather than having it on endpoint devices, such as having all your data secured, accessible from any device, and of course backup solutions and all of these management things become a lot easier when you use products like these together. The typical ThinLink customers are generally engineering or sort of engineering related areas. We have classical manufacturing companies, producers of turbines, motors, engines, cars, trucks. But we also have areas surrounding that, like universities for technical educations, and research institutes researching new ways in technical fields. Typical applications they use are CAD applications, but also mainly we've seen a lot of the other computer-assisted engineering applications like stress testings and flow dynamics, applications such as that. I'd say that's the majority of the ThinLink customers. Why IGEL works a lot better than many other solutions is because they deliver a very high performance. It's a small, convenient package, and on top of that provides the easy management that most customers want, especially when they're deploying over a large number of users and a large number of desktop installations. The future of end-user computing is, I'd say, very promising. If nothing else, the common use case for most users, private as well as commercial, is that you do not have a standard desktop computer anymore. You want everything accessible from any location. And using products such as IGEL and ThinLink allows you to provide secure access to these things, any device, any performance, wherever you are. IGEL helps us sell a lot more, primarily because IGEL is a much larger player than we are. So partnering with a company such as IGEL means that a lot of customers find us through IGEL, because they find IGEL first, they find a good terminal, then they look for what kind of options IGEL provides them, and they find us as a provider of the Linux desktop when it's not one of the other standard desktops they are looking for. A big area where we see a lot of new customers coming in is replacing Sunray. As many know, that platform was recently retired by Oracle, its vendor, and people are looking for a replacement platform. And the natural choice in that case is a Linux platform. And they need a replacement both for the server side and the client and device side. And in that case, IGEL and ThinLink is a very nice replacement, which will provide you not just with something similar, but in many cases more modern devices and server platforms than what they previously had with Sunray.